Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So today we are showing inside the compressor. So there is the problem, compressor not pumping. So we are removing the outer body from cutting, then removing the outer body. So in this video we are showing not pumping properly in compressor. So today we are going to the solutions. So this is the compressor, semi-sealed compressor. So we are already removed. So again we are showing how to remove. So this is the inside of the this is the outer body. So inside oil there, then here pistons, then piston rods, there are the item parts are inside. So it is working properly, no issue for the pistons are working normally, no issues of piston rod or and piston, no issues are there. So this is working normally. The problem is there, we are showing end in the end video. So this is the inside the part. So you can this is the inside the oil. So this is the springs for inside the compressor. So this is the motor winding inside the compressor. So motor winding also good. So no issue motor winding also. This is the good. So but on that is not pumping. So we are checking properly then we are cleaning the inside parts all in oil. So these are the inside compressor. So later we are find out the solution for in a compressor inside. There is one thing is there, like one yellow and green suction pipe broken. So compressor not pumping. Here this is showing this one is yellow and green, one suction pipe line is already broken in it is going in out broken outside. So we are replace that one. So now it is working normally. So this is the problems, compressor not pumping. Solution is the suction line pipe is remaining.